Hi. Basically, I am leaving Pratham at the play center and then I'll go to the strip club to see what the vibes are. I'll see you guys tomorrow when we fly to Kota. Oh my god. आंखें देख रहे हो मेरी कितनी सूजी हुई है. I haven't slept in 2 days properly. The last time I took a full night's sleep was on 29th. आज 2 तारीख है भाई. It's 5 o'clock and I'm up. मुझे पता भी नहीं है भाई अलार्म कब बजा, क्या हुआ, कैसे हुआ. Literally प्रथम has woken me up कि get up and go down, check out कर. मुझे अभी तक पता ही नहीं कि हम कहाँ पे हैं. Tenchana. Ding 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 ding. Ding 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 ding. I mean, it is a pier and like a port.
The 300 baht is violated. Why are they violating the fine?
Are yaar, sand already will go into my sandals.
Oh shit, sand. What do we do?
We're waiting for a ferry, so we're at this local place. I look so shocked right now. ऐसा लगा कि इसने मुझे 2 थप्पड़ मारे, but लेकिन अब क्या ही कर सकते हैं. I'm hungry also, but I can't eat because I have such bad case of motion sickness that I'll throw up on Pratham. What seasonings do you want? Ask them, no? Why? You haven't opened it.
Ham and cheese is good.
So, what if fried chicken one is better?
It's too late now.
No, I'll do it.
Underneath the sky, painted with dreams, we're chasing the echoes of silent screams. Caught in the
Last thing you guys saw was that we landed in Koh Tao. अब मैं आपको थोड़ा सा update देती हूँ because I haven't spoken to you. Do you want to put more sunscreen?
No, I'm good.
Okay. हमारी सुबह what time was our flight?
7:30.
7:30 की फ्लाइट थी. 2 घंटे सोए. उसके बाद we went to the airport. वहाँ पे जाने के बाद we took a flight. Flight से we went to the pier से we took a ferry and ferry लेने के बाद we reached at 4. So basically we haven't slept properly in so long, but that's not the point. The point is that we're in Koh Tao, which is one of the most beautiful islands I have ever been to because I've only been to 2 islands till now. I'm doing my makeup, we're going out. तो मैंने सोचा मैं साथ साथ update ही दे देती हूँ. Did something interesting happen that we can tell in my vlog, Pratham? Yesterday we went to a mall and I saw this Guess का bag, like not a bag, like a wallet, and I have been wanting a wallet for very long now. I liked it कि वो vintage सा लग रहा था, but लेकिन फिर मुझे ऐसा भी लग रहा था कि what if it looks a little clapped. तो फिर मैंने उसको जाने दिया, जबकि मैंने अपनी मम्मी को दिखा दिया था और उनका मन बन गया था. वैसे मेरी मम्मी का तो हर चीज़ को खरीदने का ही मन कर जाता है, बट अब मुझे एक लिस्ट मिल चुकी है घर से जिसके लिए मुझे इतना सारा सामान सबके लिए लेकर जाना है. I've been kind of inactive on Instagram also because actually I just want to enjoy.
Thank you.
So our matching ropes.
No.
Sure.
No.
Sure, come here.
Fuck off, yeah.
Come on. Sure.
Please.
Okay, don't. You are so naked. Get out of my frame.
Okay, I need to change that for you.
Can you change there behind?
Bitch, you want to change in the room only because of your fucking vlog.
Yeah, so? What's more important? My vlog or you?
Oh, what are you wearing? Are you wearing the shorts?
Actually, I am thinking of wearing like a long skirt with a tank top.
Should I wear the black cotton shorts or the beige like going out shorts? I was thinking I'll wear the white t-shirt.
White t-shirt.
Or should I wear the...
I think you should wear the beige shorts with the white oversized t-shirt, no?
Yeah.
Wear a beige short because white oversized t-shirt is already cash, right? So if you wear beige, then it kind of balances it. Okay. I don't know if I should wear I actually do want to wear a skirt because I have this outfit in my mind and I want to... Okay, God bless
Excuse
you.
me.
But I have this outfit in my mind, Pratham.
Yeah.
But I don't know what if the light sunlight goes and then you're not able to click a picture of me.
I'll take a picture of you.
Oh my god, this trip Pratham has been taking such nice pictures of me. I didn't expect.
Or like as usual.
Not as usual. He used to take very bad pictures, okay? Like by very bad pictures, I mean कि मेरी एक पिक्चर है जो मैं दिखाऊंगी भी नहीं कभी, ओके? मैं कभी नहीं दिखाऊंगी अपने किसी भी चैनल पे क्योंकि इट्स सो बैड. मेरे बर्थडे की 2023 में वी वेंट टू अलीबाग एंड आई आस्क्ड हिम टू क्लिक अ पिक्चर ऑफ मी एट द बीच. मुझे सारा बॉडी डिस्मॉर्फिया हो गया उस पिक्चर से. इज दैट हाउ यू सी मी प्रथम? He knows how bad that picture is that he keeps blackmailing me also that I'll show it to our friends. उसके बाद से मैंने I just kind of gave up. I was like, you know what, let it be. Just don't click any pictures because for my own sake. But again, अब we're on a trip and we need to click pictures. I need pictures. तो फिर मैंने इसको थोड़ा सा सिखाया, थोड़ा सा डांट तो पढ़नी important होती है. उसके बाद he's clicked such. If you guys follow me on my Instagram, then you मस्ट हैव सीन इट बाय नाउ क्योंकि मैं बहुत जल्दी सब पोस्ट कर देती हूँ. बट लेकिन तब जाके मुझे थोड़ी सांस में सांस आई. भाई ही इज क्लिकिंग वेरी नाइस पिक्चर्स. आई हैव टू गिव दिस टू हिम क्योंकि मैं तो ट्राइपॉड लेके आई थी कि अगर इसे नहीं खींची तो आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू फोर्स हिम क्योंकि ही इज ऑब्वियसली हियर टू एंजॉय हिज हॉलीडे टूर. सिर्फ मेरी फोटो खींचने नहीं आया. बट लेकिन
Thank you, bye.
am I annoying you that much?
No, you're not. I'm saying thank you for letting me have fun on my trip.
Okay.
Instead of being a photographer.
So are you?
Like this, you're saying?
Yeah.
This?
Yeah, this. I'm also wearing a white top only.
You're not having fun, you know.
Me?
We are not.
But I'm just getting ready. What do you mean? You want to have fun every second or what?
Yeah. You go back home, you'll miss this moment that we could have spent.
Because of me recording, I would have taken.
Instead of you recording. Can I open this?
Yeah.
Open it from here. Sorry.
I'm actually so grateful that we are able to do everything that we spoke about. Because obviously, long distance gets. You know what it gets. We've made this pact that we have to see each other every month, or we should know when we're going to see each other next. This is not going with my makeup. Yeah, and I'm also leaving my hair to its natural texture. Let it be a little curly because we're on an island and that's when curly hair pops. I'll see you when I decide my outfit. No fit check for anyone because Pratham cut my clothes. I was getting ready and he was making me so impatient that you just don't enjoy the moment and you always want to get ready. So I was cutting my boob tape, okay? तो boob tape के साथ साथ भैंचोद मैंने अपना टॉप कट कर दिया. My favorite Zara का white tank top जो मैं दुनिया में मेरा favorite top मैंने काट दिया. Now I'm sad. I want to eat something. Now we are going to explore Kota Street. I'm actually going alone. I'm not taking Pratham with me. Where are the stairs?
So clapped.
Who's so glad?
The lift not working.
Yeah, that sucks, bro. What the fuck do you mean that your lift doesn't work after 6 p.m.? Is there less electricity in this island after 6 p.m.? I don't think so. If the AC is working, then the lift can also work. We're at this really cute place. I don't know the name of the restaurant, but we've ordered shit ton of food. I'm so hungry and I'm so excited.
It's impossible, guys.
भाई 3 दिन बाद 6-7 घंटों की नींद मिली है मुझे. I feel I'm gonna sleep even more, but I want to show you the view from our resort. See this? This is the pool area, and it just opens up to the beach.
Really good job.
Do with all that junk inside that trunk. I'm a get you drunk, get you off drunk off my hump. This is Mom Beach outfit. After so long I've gotten ready, and this is actually a cover up the bikinis underneath. but I figured that looks like a cute dress, so I'm wearing it. I still have to do my makeup and everything, and the lighting here actually sucks. So excited to go to the beach. I got this cuff last night from the market. मेरे शक्ल के थोड़े होश उड़े हुए हैं, but it's okay. Nothing. A wee bit of makeup can't fix. I'm so excited. You know, एक साल पहले की मेरे पास स्नैप आई थी मेरी मेमोरीज की स्नैपचैट पे, और उसमें मैं रो रही थी क्योंकि मेरे से मेरी बैकलॉग क्लियर नहीं हुई थी. Cut to 1 year later. Now I'm on an island, getting ready for the beach for the 4th time. Life is good. We're going to rent a scooter. ये कल हम इतना ज़्यादा चल चुके थे that I can't. It's not drizzling. I can't feel it. That I can't walk anymore. My feet have given up. And plus, Pratham wants to do everything that comes this side. This person has made me walk so much.
Fucking drizzling, bro.
It's not drizzling. You feel it?
Yeah.
Someone spat on you actually.
It's alright.
Anyways, we'll go rent a scooter now.
Night glow where the stars align. We lose our season underneath the sky.
The view is insane.
We're chasing the echoes of silent screams.
Random place. Beach they pointed Pratham. Hello. Please take off your shoes. So fucking pretty. Like people can sit and draw here. Zero data, and the brakes of our scooty are not. So we have to take God's name. When we're going downhill, Bhagwan Ji ka naam lo. Now we're at another beach. Yesterday we were supposed to go for this pub crawl, but instead of that now,
Sunniest day on the beach, I would say.
yeah, it's not sunny, but we decided to just do a beach crawl. So we're doing that. Oh my god, look at how pretty the house is. One day I'll own one of those houses. And just the water. Wow. Literally swam. I didn't even get my face wet, but I saw this big of a fish, like my forearm, easily. And then Pratham was inside the water, so I couldn't show it to him. But it was crazy. There are like a lot of fish.
Data isn't working.
I want like a cold matcha latte or a coffee.
Come.
I look chopped again, but we are at really pretty beach bar restaurant. I'm so hungry, bro. While swimming, I literally hurt myself so bad because there was like a lot of corals and there were like a lot of fish in the sea. और मेरे hand फट गई मेरी, ठीक है, if I'm being honest. मतलब मैंने कोरल में स्विमिंग करते करते someone came. कोरल में स्विमिंग करते करते I just hit my toes so fucking bad. Checking what water. And you wanna see the view? What the fuck is lassi doing in their menu? Mango lassi, purple lassi. Crazy. I was in a very difficult position when I had that attack, right? I got hurt so much.
So what's hurt you said?
Like, look here,
Not allowed.
here,
Not allowed.
then here.
Not allowed.
Not allowed what?
Get hurt.
Oh my god, look Pratham, whole scratch.
Oh.
And then somewhere else also it doesn't show but it hurts. Anyway, we came back from 3 beaches. We swam so much. We thak gayi hu main and I'm so tired. I'm not thak gayi hu main. Say thak normally. Say it.
Thak.
Okay. Anyway, so we're going for a massage. We took a shower after coming back just because my hair is like this, like curly and in its natural texture. But yeah, we're going for a massage. Actually, I am going. Pratham is not. I would never allow him to take a massage from anyone.
Yeah.
Yep. Come, let's go. Give me the house key.
Debit card.
Debit card, come.
Saving a bank.
Oh fuck, the motherfucking lift won't work now.
Oh.
We got done with the massage and we were running late, so I got ready for dinner. I'll hit you. I'll hit you. थप्पड़ खाएगा? थप्पड़ खाएगा? थप्पड़? थप्पड़? Anyway, so let me show you my outfit, and we're going to pub crawl and dinner crawl and just explore everything, eat a lot, and I'm going to gain. चुप, अगर तू चुप नहीं हुआ मैं सोया सॉस की बॉटल मांगूंगी.
Sushi खा ले.
What खा ले?
Sushi.
Sushi that I want to eat. So let me show you my outfit, and we are going to eat a lot. I'm going to gain all the weight back, but look, I think I already told, but I got this from Kota itself. Now let's see my outfit. A moment of appreciation, but you can't even see my whole outfit. Is the bag giving or not? Is the bag giving or not?
Yes.
What? And what am I serving?
Omelette.
What am I serving?
Cunt.
That's right. And I'm gonna serve exactly what you are. Cut! इस ड्रेस को अब मैं लुंगी की तरह उठा के स्कूटी पे बैठूंगी.
Yeah.
I wanna go to a mandap with you. Do you take me? Will you take me? No.
I already know ना शुरू.
What do you say? Where do you wanna go? Let's go to
Last club that we saw.
the beach one.
Yeah.
Let's go there. Eat a little bit.
Which one? The beach where there are so many of them.
Where the fireworks were happening.
The fireworks, where the fireworks are happening and the loud one was two different ones.
Let's go and see which one ever has a nice vibe.
Very good dress.
Yeah, I shouldn't be wearing anything. I should just be wearing a two-piece.
I'll
Not even
slap
two-piece, zero-piece bikini. Yeah. It's a little messy.
Yeah, it's fine, just send me.
Chonky boy. I got tomorrow. They're belonging to the car. Oh my god.